Welcome to Lingostar. My name is Fijal H. Magamay. You can call me Teacher Rachel. And I'll be your English teacher in this class. Allow me to introduce to you our classroom for you to learn the alphabet and numbers. I'm gonna use my talking pen.
Animals.
Here my mini stuffed toys for you to have a fun, engaging, and interactive learning experience. I have my TESOL certificates, and I am also a licensed teacher here in the Philippines, and I've been teaching high school students for 7 years. I am a family-oriented person, and I have 2 kids. I can share to you my beautiful smile, my bright mind, and my big heart for you to become the best English teacher in the world and for you to have a bright future. So I am looking forward to have you in my class, and don't forget to choose Lingostar and choose me as your English teacher. Have a great day.